Hi guys, I wanted to give you a little more description about the theory collection assignment. Now this is not due until July 27th, so you have a lot of time on this, but I wanted to give you this so you can be working on it. This is going to be a little different. If you've had Dr. Whittington in class, you may have done something similar, but we are going to use Pinterest to put together all of our theories. So what you're going to do for this assignment is you're going to find 3 theories that are not discussed in class. So not necessarily, so it could be something in the book, but probably not. You might look, theory clusters has a lot of theories that we won't cover. But what you're going to do is you're going to pick 3 theories not covered in class and you're going to pin them. And by what I mean pinning is in Pinterest. So if you don't have an account on Pinterest, you'll need to get an account on Pinterest. Let me know if I can help you with that. I'm going to invite all of you to our board here. And what you're going to see is I've already pinned some of the theories that we have discussed. Now, the ones that I have pinned are not necessarily good examples of how you need to be pinning them. I want you to give a little more detail in your captions. So the detail I'm looking for is, does it include the main authors? And does it have a brief description of the theory? I also want to make sure that they are relevant to our field. So here's your rubric, which is on the assignment page. But for example, the elaboration likelihood model we haven't gotten to necessarily yet. But saying what the model is, a short description on who the author would be of that theory. So we've already talked about hypodermic model, cognitive theory, or cognitive dissonance, sorry. So these are some theories that we've talked about. I'm going to add some more that we're going to be talking about, so you just know that those aren't up there already. But there is this theory clusters, which has a ton of different theories that you can go to it, and it will give you a great resource. A lot of theories that we are covering will be on here, but a lot of theories were not. So that's one place. Look around online, look through your book. Chapters we're not covering would be a great place to find some theories as well. So your first assignment will be, or first part of the assignment is to pin 3 theories. And then I want you to also pin 3 articles using that theory. So if I've done ELM, I've got one describing the theory and then one using an article using that theory. And so you'll see on the rubric 3 studies that use that theory, and then a brief description in that caption saying how that relates to ag communication problems or issues. So whether the Journal of Applied Communication, the Journal of Ag Education, the Journal of Extension might be great places to look for some theories being used. It might be a great place to find your theories as well. You could do it backwards by finding the theory first through the article, or find the article first and then go pin the theory. So total you're going to be doing 6 pins, 3 theories and then 3 examples of those theories, and then brief descriptions in those captions. So watch, I will be sending to your OSU emails an invitation to this board. If you have your Pinterest on a different email, please let me know that. Email me, text me, however you want, message me. And I will get that sent to you the right way. If you need a quick tutorial in Pinterest, let me know. I'm happy to do that as well. Otherwise, this should be a fun assignment, and this should also be a great resource for you on top of your theory matrix. You do need to take the 3 theories you do and put them into your theory matrix. You don't have to do everybody else's theories unless you really think you're going to want to remember those theories specifically. All right, so if you have any questions on this assignment, just let me know, and I look forward to seeing your pins. Again, not due till July 27th, but wanted to give you some time to start working on that.